Exhale, turn the body to the right and exhale again. Bring the left hand outside the right knee. Twist the side kick. You can join your hands, rotate the shoulders back, and use the left hand to support the right hand's root, pushing the shoulders back, keeping the right leg wide. Keep the front foot planted and steady. Hold it here, keep it still. With each exhale, turn the chest, tighten the abdomen, the core. With each inhale, stay still. Detach the hands, come down and press the ground. Straighten the front leg halfway. Lift your head, look ahead. Tickle the right hip toes, tighten the hip, tailbone. Send the head forward, extend, energize the back of the front leg. Tighten the hips back, tailbone back, head forward, and extend to bring breath energy to the back of the front leg. If possible, exhale with a slight elbow flex. Bend your elbows or drop them to the ground, or you can just stop here to awaken the muscles in our legs. Stretch the back side of your thighs, hands back in, kneel on your knees, keep your right hand pressed in. Put your left hand over your right shoulder, stop here. Press the back of your hand to the ground, or bring your right hand up, or you can wrap your right hand around your back and grab the left thigh. You keep inhaling into your chest, exhaling, and then turn your chest up. Belly button still down. Top of your sternum, and then lift it back up again. Keep breathing. Push the right hand back up and down with both hands. Retract center of gravity forward, shoulders over wrists. Exhale, bend elbows down 90 degrees. Slowly down, 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 down.